Okay, outfit of the day. I actually love this outfit. This is a new shirt. I feel like this is the aesthetic I'm going for, you know? These big earrings are from Target. My M necklace is from Old Navy. The shirt I actually had rented off Nuuly, but ended up, what does this look like? Not very clear. But ended up buying it, so I will link it down below for you if it's still for sale. And then these pants are from TJ Maxx. Shoes are from Amazon. I'm kind of growing out of the skinny jean era, but I do kind of like this look. I'm not gonna lie. So that is the office outfit of the day. Okay, coffee of the day. I cleaned out my cup last night from yesterday's coffee. I'm just pouring some water. I brought ice over here so I didn't have to walk back to the fridge every time. But I'm gonna do 2.5 teaspoons of this Nescafe powder. I just keep it in this TJ Maxx pumpkin. Cute. Just a really fine, like coffee powder. I don't know, instant coffee, I guess you would call it. And then I just do this little number. This probably isn't news for most of you, but in case you're wondering. And then normally I would add ice and then add my protein shake, but I'm out of protein shakes. However, y'all will be so happy to know, because I got a lot of comments in my last video about buying the case, so I decided to do that. And today in my grocery pickup order, I have a case of 12 of the Core Power Elite, which is the 42 grams of protein. I have a 12 pack, and I think it said per shake, they were $3.90 versus $4.45. So we're saving 55 cents on like each one, which when it comes to 12, you know, that's like $6. So I'll take it. This is just almond milk. So we're gonna go in with that, top her off. And then I'm doing just a little bit of like a regular almond milk vanilla creamer. This is just like our backup that's been in the fridge for a while, but it's still good, so it's fine. I'm just gonna do a little bit. This is where we're at. So beautiful. It's gonna be in the 60s today. I wonder if I need like a coat. I really need to get like a cardigan that I can just throw on. I had rented one from Nuuly, and I'm kicking myself, or well, it was last year, but I'm kicking myself for not buying it because I loved it so much. So maybe I'll actually seek that out and buy one this year. Okay, taste test. So good and strong. Hell yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put this stuff up, and then we gotta go to the office because I'm running late.
I was here. Right? The reason why I'm drinking.
Hello. I already filmed this segment, and then it didn't. Nothing was filmed. So I don't really know. Obviously, I don't know how to work my phone. Filming on my phone is actually not as easy as I thought. I might have to switch back to camera just for like ease of use and get used to editing every night. But just like should be fine. I thought the iPhone was gonna be easier because I can like edit on my lunch break and stuff, but I just have not been, like, we're kind of in a busy season right now, so it just has not been that easy to edit like on my lunch break or in some spare 5 minutes. So still working that out, but I'm determined to post a video every day through December 20th. So glad you're here. We survived the 9 to 5, check. I dropped off all of our stuff to donation. The entire back of my car was filled to the brim with donation stuff, so we got that taken care of. It feels so good. Then I went and grabbed our grocery haul, so I'll show you that whenever we get home. A lot of restocks, toilet paper, things like that, body wash. Not a ton of food, but we went to Sprouts. I mean, y'all know, we went to Sprouts twice in a row this weekend. We got like random odds and ends of food. We got lots of meat and proteins, so we just didn't really like need a ton, but I did get a few things to kind of complete my days of eating. So I'll show you that. I'm not sure what we're gonna have for dinner, but it's probably gonna be something very simple and like just normal. I'm not making like a full-on recipe or anything. but I'll share that with you. I have to get Vlogmas Day 2 up. I need to make a thumbnail real quick, and then that video will be ready to go up, which is awesome. I'm going to edit this video tonight. I have some web design things to do. Actually, when I was sitting waiting for my grocery pickup, I got a message from the girl who I invested in her courses to learn web design and learn how to run a web design business. Her name is Becca Luna. If you're at all interested in becoming a web designer, check out Becca Luna. There's a lot of other options that you can go with, but I just, you look at all of them and you decide who you resonate with. And I just I was very attracted to her vibe. So she reminds me a lot of my sister, which is funny. But anyways, she messaged me and we're chit-chatting, and I just am having a fangirl moment that she's talking to me. I don't know. It's so funny, but it's really cool and exciting, and it just it lit the fire. She's having a really good sale right now. So I've been kind of deciding, it ends tonight at midnight. So I've been kind of deciding what I want to invest in, because it's all there's 2 different courses that I want that I haven't invested in yet. I've already done 2 and I want to do 2 more. And I was thinking I would do them after I took on a couple of clients, but they're half off, literally almost half off. I think they're 40% off right now. And she only does basically one big sale. She pretty much only does the Black Friday sale. So I'm should I just do it now? And now she messaged me and I'm it's exciting. So I might go ahead and invest in that stuff, but we are coming up on the home stretch of being able to launch this business. Obviously we had to get the LLC in place and the contracts. I still need to do my payment processor and make sure my contracts are in Dubsado and make sure everything's working and integrating well. There's definitely a lot of back end work that has to be done. But we are checking things off the list every day, and it feels so good. I got a lot done this weekend. Or I wouldn't say a lot. I got some stuff done this weekend. I got some stuff done at the end of the day when I was waiting. Before I could leave the office, I was waiting on this one thing. And so I was just kind of going through some little details, getting some things fixed up. I'm going to do some more stuff tonight, and it just feels good. And this is my Monday through Friday lately. Do my 9-to-5 job, come home, do web design all night. I have a current client. I have another hopeful client that I met through Instagram who I think is going to sign up for my beta, which is basically my business launch, where I'm going to accept a few clients at half price in exchange for testimonials of what it's working with me, but they get all the same package as the full price. And then after I finish with those clients, I will take on full price clients, I guess you would say. But yeah, I'm just excited. So if you know anyone that needs a website, send them my way. Especially, definitely wedding industry, but I'm not I just want to learn and see. I don't want to pick a niche and then only be tied to that niche forever. I'm cool with other things. One of the girls I'm talking to on Instagram, it's kind of a furniture store, which is cool. So that's kind of different, but also so up my alley. I love stuff like that, restored furniture. Actually, I need to back in, but yeah. So that's it for now. I'm going to take the groceries in. I'll chit chat with you girlies in a bit. Okay, you guys, I just got home. Obviously, we're about to bring the groceries in. There's a package on the front door addressed to me. And I'm that's weird. I didn't order anything. And I could tell it was from a shop, I don't know, an Etsy or something. So I was oh, wonder what it is. One of our friends sent us an ornament. Hey, babe. Yes. Come look what Georgina got us. You're going to die. I'm dying. I'm literally currently dying.
Oh, wow. Did she make that?
No, she ordered it for us. So an artist made it.
That's awesome.
Isn't that
Thank
so
you.
Cool?
Oh, wait, we're not.
She's not on the phone. This is YouTube.
Well, thank you if you watch this. This is awesome.
Isn't that so freaking sweet?
That's great.
It's our wedding cake with our pets on it. Oh my God, I'm dying. Baby, I love it. I'm gonna have to call her. Okay, here is the grocery haul. You can see our protein shakes are way over there in the pantry, but I did get a 12-pack of the vanilla Core Power Elite. Basically these. Nothing. It was a little loud. It's okay.
And we got toilet paper, which is what I'm unboxing.
Morgan getting the toilet paper out. So I got some of the Core Power. I just got 1 chocolate for my protein puddings, and then we did get a 12 pack of the vanilla. Those are already in the pantry. Restock on my sparkling water. I have been out, which is why I've had so many Coke Zeros lately, so needed a restock. We got some body wash. They had a sale on toothpaste if you bought 2, so I got 2 packs or whatever. Got some Good Culture cottage cheese. I love this for a snack, and I decided I've never had cottage cheese with fruit, but I know a lot of people love it, so I thought I'd give it a go. This is the pineapple one, and the macros on this are crazy. 100 calories, 15 grams of protein. Like, what? I'm confused, but that could be a really good breakfast or like mid-morning snack or even afternoon snack option. I'm hoping I like that. Also got the healthy oatmeal bites. Haven't had these in a while, but I love them. They're 45 calories a piece. You can kind of see their like thing on the front, no sugar, high fiber, whatever. Love those. They're just like a little oatmeal cookie. Delish. I got my favorite steakhouse balsamic salad kit. I did get us a couple of treats, but they're hot, so we can't even drink them now. I got us this to try, the peanut butter and jelly Alani protein bar. I've never had their protein bars before, but me and Morgan love like PB&J stuff, so I thought we'd give this a go. Oh, and I got some pudding mixes. I didn't mean to put those away. I got the banana cream for Morgan to mix with a vanilla protein shake. I also got a chocolate one and a vanilla one. So there is that.
This right here, though, tonight?
It's gonna be a good combo with some banana.
With a whole nanner in there?
Yeah.
It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be so good.
Kind of excited.
I usually don't like protein bars, but let's see. I like some, but mostly not all.
What am I gonna make?
Ooh, it smells like PB&J.
Yeah. I made it, yeah.
It tastes like a PB&J sandwich. Literally. 10 out of 10.
Oh,
Action.
I made this.
We did the banana, he did the banana with vanilla. You put a banana on top. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. A little protein pudding. Heck yeah.
Fridge, let it get cold. It's gonna be good.
Yeah, it's gonna be so freaking good. We finished that protein bar in a hot second. I am so pumped about this. This makes me want to put the tree up immediately. What a blessing. She also already sent us one to put a wedding photo in. This is the second ornament she sent us. Love her to death. Like, what a sweetie. So we gotta get this stuff put up, and I'll come back later when we have dinner. Salad is big, and I cooked up some sweet potato fries also. So we have quite the meal extravaganza, but I really just had that thing for lunch and haven't had anything except for a couple bites of that protein bar, so I'm hungry. I'm very much looking forward to this.